Good morning. I'm Jim Johnson, President of the University of Alaska. Later today, Governor Michael Dunleavy will sign HB 2001. And that bill includes $110 million reinstated in the university's budget after the governor's veto of $136 million back in June. So that's great news. In addition to this operating budget reinstatement of money, in the capital budget, which the governor signed recently, there was support for the Alaska Performance Scholarship and the Alaska Education Grant, and then also the WAMI program. So while it's been a rough road over the last several months, things are looking up for the university right now. Now, the governor's decision to reinstate or not veto the $110 million that the legislature put back in is part of an agreement, a long-term agreement between the Board of Regents and the governor. And that agreement calls for step-downs or gradual reductions over the next 2 years after this year, so a 3-year total step-down. The total reduction will be, over that 3-year period, $70 million. Now, that's a lot of money, and that's serious, no question about it. But it's roughly half what the governor had vetoed, and it spreads that reduction out over 3 years. Looking forward, a few really important things coming up. One, I want to share with you that the Board of Regents will be meeting tomorrow, Tuesday, August 20th, and they'll be reconsidering their declaration of financial exigency. The second thing is that we are not going to implement the comprehensive staff furlough in the coming year, so more good news there. In addition to that, of course, as you all know, the Regents are looking very seriously about how to restructure the University of Alaska so we can spend more of our resources on academics and student services and less on administration. The board will be meeting on September 12th and 13th to discuss that. And in preparation for that, there's a lot of work going on with a lot of people from all across the system involved. This week, there are workshops on academic structure. And then in addition to that, our various councils and other groups are meeting to look at administration, university relations, and other support areas. So it's a busy time. Lots of people are included in the planning, providing really key input into the important decisions that the board will be making soon. In addition to that, we have a survey out there. So I'd certainly encourage all of you to get out there and fill in that survey because, again, that's critical input that the board will consider as they think about how the University of Alaska is going to be organized and how we're going to do that transition over the coming years. So thank you very, very much. Today is really a big day with the governor signing that budget. We've made a lot of progress, and it's because of you, your strong support for the University of Alaska, that we are here today. So I thank you for that. And I also encourage you as students start coming onto campus to be confident and do a fine job of supporting them as they learn and they grow to be Alaska's future. So thanks very much and have a great week.